Hello everybody, how are you? I am Naresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the questions. So our today question is, how can food handlers reduce bacteria to safe levels when preparing vegetables for hot holding? Cook the vegetables to correct internal temperatures. Preparation roast vegetables before preparing greens. Leafy vegetables. Survey the vegetables within the 10 minutes of the cooking them. Hold the vegetables at a temperatures no higher than 130 degree F 54 C. The correct answer of the question is the correct option to reduce bacteria to safe levels when preparing vegetables for hot holding is cooking the vegetables to the correct internal temperature. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there and our sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.